Hey there, if you're a developer and you use Discord and you like games or you just like money, check this out. Discord's giving away up to $30,000 for developers to make games using their embedded SDK. They're only taking pitches until the 1st though, so watch this now and see if it applies, see if it's something that you want to get into while there's still time. All you have to do is submit a pitch. You don't have to have the full thing ready before then. One other thing with a really short timeline though is the discount for the game architecture course. If you're interested in registering for that and learning how to build a tactical RPG, kind of like a scaled back Baldur's Gate, then check it out at the link down in the description. Now I learned about this thing at GDC and I meant to share it earlier, sorry about that, but they're essentially giving away a bunch of prizes in different categories for people to build games that run in Discord. You can do this with Unity and export out a WebGL game, or you can just do this with your own web skills if you're already a web developer. Personally, I'd probably go the Unity route, but I guess it depends on where your experience is. Now, the way that they're doing this is there are a couple prizes that you can get, or a couple different categories. They're giving away up to $15,000 for, I think, 4 of the 5 categories, and then one of the people will win the $30,000 on top of that. And it's going like this. You're giving away $5,000 to start up, and then $10,000 for completed games. So you get your prototype in there, you win with the prototype, and then you get the $10,000 once your app is completed. Now, to submit your app, you have to go through a pretty simple submission process. It asks you about your general personal info, some pitch details, and then they do get into prototype stuff. So I'm guessing they probably want you to have a working prototype before you submit it. But there's still just enough time, I think, to get something up there quick. Now, if you've got an idea for something that you think would work for one of these categories, but you don't want to build it yourself, you maybe think somebody else should build it, drop it down as a comment and maybe somebody else will pick it up and get it in there really quickly. But they've got compete, adventure together for multiplayer co-op games, collect and create games like pet collection stuff, simulation worlds that enable users to design and manage their world. So going around building your own levels, farm type stuff, chill things, virtual hangouts and party stuff, and then a wild card one where you can come up with pretty much anything. So if you've got a cool idea, maybe you've got something already in the works, then you may as well just give it a submission. Maybe it'll be an awesome big Discord thing. Anyway, let me know what you think about this. I'm kind of curious. Do you guys think that Discord style games, or I'm going to talk about web GPU games pretty soon. You guys think that those are a big thing, that those are going to be something in the future, or do you think that it's just going to be Steam forever? Let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.